The Mazda 6e brings a perfect blend of sophistication, performance, and electrification. Designed for those who crave both luxury and efficiency, this all-electric sedan redefines Mazda's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation. With its sleek and aerodynamic profile, the Mazda 6e takes inspiration from the brand's signature Kodo design language. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a dynamic presence on the road. Its alloy wheels and seamless curves make it stand out, blending sportiness with elegance. From the side, its smooth, flowing design enhances both aesthetics and efficiency. The rear features sleek taillights, a subtle lip spoiler, and a clean, futuristic look, making the 6e instantly recognizable. Inside, a premium cabin packed with advanced technology creates a comfortable and modern driving experience. The spacious interior features high-quality materials, comfortable leather seats, and a driver-centric cockpit. A large touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and wireless charging pad ensure seamless connectivity. Ambient lighting adds to the luxurious feel, creating an inviting atmosphere for every journey. The Mazda 6e is fully electric, delivering instant torque and a smooth, silent ride. With an impressive range and fast charging capabilities, it ensures reliability for long drives. The precise handling and well-tuned suspension make every drive engaging, staying true to Mazda's signature driving dynamics. With a competitive price, the Mazda 6e offers luxury, performance, and sustainability in one package. Whether it's for an efficient daily commute or a stylish electric sedan experience, the 6e is a perfect choice. Experience the future of driving with the Mazda 6e.